Next to ring sizing, chain repairs are the most common repair you will see because the chains are so easy to break. So today we will repair a box chain, a Figaro chain, and a rope chain. Materials you will need: 3 types of chains: box chain, rope chain, or Figaro chain, snips, needle nose pliers, easy or repair solder to match your chain, a soldering pick, flux, rubber wheels, a heat sink. It's a good idea to mark the break with a Sharpie. We will have to open up a link, thread it through, and solder it closed. So I will dip the whole chain in a light coating of saving solution. I will start by heating the area of the solderite pad that is in front of the chain and behind the chain. I like to hold the area that was repaired tightly around my index finger while holding the rest of the chain in my palm. I will start by putting saving solution on the area to be repaired, and I will show you a pick soldering trick that is great for chain repair. You want to use a stainless steel pick for this, not a tungsten or a titanium one. It won't work. The pick will act as a thermal conductor to carry the right amount of heat to the link to be soldered. Chain repair is something you will come across often in your own work or while doing repairs for clients.